Divide a 25 grams fresh yeast cube into 5 equal parts. This way, you will obtain portions of approximately 5 grams each. Take one of those parts and subdivide it further into 5 equal portions. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This way, we have obtained portions of approximately 1 gram each. Now, take one of these 1 gram portions and further subdivide it according to your needs. For example, for a 4-pizza recipe, divide the 1 gram mini cube into 3 parts and use only one of them. This procedure is also described in the addendum of Module 1. Have fun!